Hello everyone, my name is Akash Parikh and today we are going to solve a question which has appeared in GATE 2020 and the question is related to pointers in C. In this question we are given a matrix or a 2D array and we have to find the output of the question. So before jumping to the question, let us remind ourselves what does a 1D and a 2D array behaves in pointers. So let us first take an example of a 1D array. So suppose I have an array with few elements, suppose 5, 8, 2, 1, and an array will have a base address. The starting base address is 2000 and suppose the array contains integer type elements, so it will occupy 4 bytes of memory for each element. So if the first base address, if the first location is 2000, the next location will be 2004 and then 2008 and then 2012 and so on. So now if we just print a, we will get 2000, that is the base address of the array. But if we print star of a, that means we are dereferencing, then we will get the content which is at the location which is 5. And suppose we do a operation as a plus 2, that means we know that a implies 2000 and plus 2 should give us 2002, but there is no such location as 2002. So this method of doing solving the pointer is wrong. The actual interpretation of this part is a plus 2 implies base address, that is 2000, plus 2 times the number of bits or the number of bytes, that is into 4, as it is an integer. That means it will give us 2008 and it will point to 2. So indirectly we can say that if the base address is a, then a plus 2 will jump to 2 location further and will go to 2008. And if we just dereference it, then it will give us value 2, as 2008 memory location contains the value 2. So it is pretty simple for a 1D array. So now let us just look what happens when we are dealing with a 2D array. So suppose I have a 2D array. So I have this 2D array, suppose 3 rows and 4 columns, and let this be a 3 4, and suppose the addresses, the starting address is 2000. So I have 2000, 2004, 2008, 2006, 12, 2016, 2020, 2024, 2028, 2032, 2036, 2040 and 2044. And suppose I have some content, there are some contents in this array. And now what happens if I print a? It will give me the base address of the array, that is 2000. And now what happens if I do star of a? See, as it is a 2D array, star of a will not give us the content of the array or the content at location 2000 as it was previously given in 1D array. Star of a will also give us 2000. It is star a which will give us a content at location 2000. Suppose at location 2000 I have 8, so it will give me 8. Okay, so now suppose if I do a plus 2, in this 2D array, what it should give me. So a plus 2 in this 2D array, it gives me a, which is 2000, plus 2 into 4, which is 2008, right? But unfortunately this is also wrong. This interpretation in 2D array does not work. Why? Let us just see. So a 2D array can be viewed as an single array where the element of an array is actually a 1D array. So suppose I have a big array A. So this is my big array A, which contains 3 elements, 1, 2, 3 elements, and the element in one array, or the element is again itself a 1D array which has 4 parts. So the array will look something like this, because there is nothing as 2D array in our computer memory. So the the addresses will look like this: 2000, 2004, so on, and 2016, 2020, and so on, 2032, 2036. Now we know that A will give us the base address, which is 2000. So the base address A is 2000. But from the 1D part, we have seen that A plus 2 jumps to the second location of the array. So if this is the first element of the array, and this is the second element of the array, and this is the third element of the array, then A plus 2 should give us 2032 and not 2008, which we have seen. Okay, so A plus 2 will give us 2032. So in general, if I have an array Aij, then A plus I will point to the ith row, and A plus I star will give me base address of ith row. Base address of ith row. And once you are in the ith row, so if I do A plus 2 in our case, if we do A plus 2 in this case, if we do A plus 2, then we are already in this row, and star will give us 2032, the location. And if we want to see the content which is at location 2024, that means this is the second place. If this is 0, 1, 2, 3 by index, then this is the second place. Then plus 2, this will give us 2040, the address, and star of this part, that means A plus 2 star, the content, and at 2040, suppose the content at 2040 is 10, so it will give us 10. So in this way the 2D array works. I think it is clear to all of you how a 2D array behaves with pointers. Now coming back to our question, now the question will seem very easy. So the question says that we have an expression which is A plus star star A plus 2 with a bracket, and then again a star, and here we have plus 3, then again a bracket, and then again a star, and we have to find what will be the output. So let's go step by step. So first we will come to this inner bracket, this bracket. So we will evaluate this part. So first we have to evaluate this part we have to evaluate. So first we'll see what does star A tells us. Star A will give us the base address of array A45. In this case it will give us the base address and it will be this one. And star A will give us the content at 1 at this location, that is 1. The content is actually 1. So let us just make this array so it will be better to analyze. So we have 5 columns and 4 rows, and the values are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So this is my A. Star of A, star of A will point to this, and then I will do star of A plus 2. So if star of A is this, then star of A plus 2 will go to this location. Star of A plus 2, it will point to this location and not this location, because we know this location is A plus 2 as we have already seen. And now if we'll do star of this, it will give us the value which is 3. So this whole expression will evaluate to 3. And now we will do, just rewrite this expression for simplicity. And now we know that A plus 3 will point to this location. A plus 3 will point to this third, fourth row, and star of this will give us the base address of 16. And once we have evaluated the base address of 16, plus 3 will take us to the base address of 19. And just doing the star, we will get the value. That means doing this star, we will get the value as 19. So our final value will evaluate to 19. Thank you.